different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. It's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different. This shit.
Hi everyone, it's that one girl Cat. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you've never seen me before, I'm that one girl Cat. Before I say anything, I want to say these noises in the background are my dog who doesn't like my new puppy, which also sounds like a pig in the background. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all him. So this is Frankie. He is the little pig that you're gonna hear in the background because he literally talks and snorts. Like literally, as you can see. He's just a little piggy. But yeah, I want you guys to meet Frankie. He's a little French bulldog and he's a puppy, obviously. So if you guys hear any little pig noises in the background, it's him. I just wanted to set a disclaimer so nobody's like, what the heck is that? But yeah, it's just this little guy. Y'all, like, can I just say, your girl has been down bad for like a month. And today is the first time in like a month that I've felt like myself. Like, really, your girl just needed a self-care and maintenance day because that really just brought me back to life. I'm so happy to have made it through the last month because, again, your girl was just going through it. It was so funny. But also, in the midst of this past month, guys, I literally got my first brand deal / collab, whatever you want to call it, since I started my new content and stuff. And it's literally insane. I'm gonna leave it here because as soon as I posted that one video, y'all, I literally got contacted by like 5 to 6 other companies to literally promote their products, and like it's actually insane. Currently, I received 2 of the PR packages. I'm gonna show you guys. So I have 2 companies that I have to do PR for. So I wanted to get into a little bit of this video. It's basically like how I stay organized as a creative female content creator, entrepreneur, whatever you want to call me. Okay, I'm kind of all of the above. Because yeah, this past month it has been a lot on me for a little while, but all is good now. You know, I'm myself. I got my nails and toes done, got my makeup done, got my hair done. Girl, we're making some content today for these brands. Okay, it's different now because I actually have like something to work with, you know. Like I'm about to hit 9,000 followers on Instagram, which is actually insane. Soon I'm gonna hit 10K. Like, this is so crazy. Whoever's watching, thank you so much for watching my journey. And girl, just watch me make it. Like literally, I'm not gonna give up. Like I'm gonna keep going with this journey because one thing about me, if I have something set in my mind, I am going to go after it and I'm really gonna try to make it work. Okay, and this is genuinely something I've always wanted to do, like since I was a child. I never said I wanted to work like a normal job except like a veterinarian or whatever. When I was little, literally the first thing I ever said I wanted to be when I was little was a YouTuber. So like content creator, kind of the same thing, you know. It's crazy, but yeah, your girl has been trying to stay organized in the midst of, you know, recovering from the past month I just went through. And now I have like PR. Hello, PR, y'all. So exciting. So now that I'm trying to like get back on track with everything, I'm at the point now where every morning that I wake up, I write down my to-do list just so I can physically see it and physically remember as it's fresh on my brain. And then I'm also deciding for like the first hour or so, at least until I'm done getting ready for the day, I'm not going to go on my phone just because, yeah, like I just don't like what the phone does to my brain when I wake up first thing in the morning. And I really like to get in touch with like, you know, source and spirit and myself and my highest self and intuition before the day starts. So I'm really trying to work on that. I've decided to commit to reading 10 pages of a book per day as well before I touch my phone. So the book that I was reading today is The Secret Science of Getting Rich by Bob Proctor. If you know me for real, you know I love Bob Proctor. He is the person who introduced me to a lot of this stuff and the stuff that I know, and like the content I make. Like, he's literally why I exist, honestly. Don't forget, I also have my jewelry brand, so I've been working on more content for that. My content has been kind of going down, like literally, on my jewelry page. And I know it's because like I just really need to put more time and effort into my content on there. And like I want to show my face more, like I want to interact more, like I want to talk more. So I do plan on making some videos like that today, hopefully. I don't know if I said it already, but not only have I been using like physical reminders and things, but I've also been using the app called Timestripe. Y'all, it's actually amazing. Not only because they're like sponsoring me, which is amazing, by the way. Make sure if you guys want to check out Timestripe, use my code CAT, okay? I really like to use that app because it has like, you can set goals for the day, basically like reminders almost, or goals in general. And then you can also do it weekly, you can also do it monthly and yearly goals, which is so cool to me. And then they also have like options that keep you committed to whatever it is that they have to offer. Like, I really love that app because like it really has been keeping me on point these past few days as I'm like catching back up. I'm trying my best to stay organized, and also I just really feel like this was the next step that I needed to get to the next step in my content. Okay, so hopefully by the time this video is uploaded, what I'm about to show you will already be dropped, but if not, you guys are gonna get the first sneak peek. And this is my baby, guys. Like, oh my gosh, for some months now I've had the idea that I wanted to expand like my spiritual business and things of that sort into physical products. So I've been like writing down notes for months on what I wanted to do and all the ideas, and it's so crazy now because it's actually real. I kind of don't even know what to say because it's just so unreal to me, but I finally decided to fully invest and create my own spiritual intention and ritual oils. So I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek. So this one is my money magnet oil, and of course like on the label it has like how to use it, how to set your intentions with the oil and things of that sort. And they're also lightly fragranced, so nice. I would say the money magnet is more like gender neutral, but my other oil is called Spoil Me. It's for the girlies, or you know, whoever wants to attract more luxurious things, more money, more like princess treatment vibes, like, you know, stuff like that. So this is the first sneak peek of the Spoil Me oil. This one is my own. In the rest of the oils I didn't put that much gold because, you know, I just feel like it took up so much of the space. But this one has herbs and flowers, again, to attract love, romance, gifts, luxury, things of that sort, like towards you and in your life. That's as much as I'm gonna give away now because, you know, I have to like go through with the drop. Just be on the lookout in the description box below because I'm gonna be selling them on the same website that I sell my jewelry, which is also, I feel like, just such a smart idea on my end because that way everything's under one name, everything is like cohesive to each other, you know, in a way. But yeah, I've just been planning this and working on this like in the back of my mind, and now it's real, so it's just like insane.
Even when I'm sitting there alone all by myself, it's different when I think you might be with somebody. This shit.
Okay, so as you can see, little location change. This is my other living room because we have like two living rooms basically. I have to repaint the walls because there's like that. But anywho, the packages that I needed to complete my oil labels came in. I'm really excited. We're gonna go ahead and unbox them together. If you hear any squeaking in the back, this is Lola. She is a pineapple conure little bird, and she's very sweet and cute, but we're not gonna take her out right now because we bought our business right now, girl. First, this is just some little bubble wraps for the bottle packaging, because of course I don't want to send them like just raw dogged. I want to send them in bubble wrap so they'll be okay. So that's all that this is. But this package right here is the real star of the show, and it's pink. Look how cute. Of course I had to get pink because hello, I'm me. But yeah, this was the little thing I was talking about that I needed for the labels to cut them straight. You guys are gonna be seeing me at this desk doing that later, but yeah, I gotta take out my hair. I gotta get this content done and out the way, girl. So we're gonna get into that finally. Mind you, I haven't even ate yet. It's like 2 p.m. I think. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting this contact lens content out the way so I can float through the rest of the day.
Come on, you got this. You that bitch because you motherfucker said so. You that bitch because you motherfucker said so. You that bitch because you motherfucker said so.
Sorry, of course the lighting is crazy because I have my window open. Today I'm gonna be more focused on my oils, getting the labels cut, getting the content for them, and doing all that stuff. So we're gonna be more focused on that. But yeah, let's get this day started and let's do what we gotta do.
Day to witness the union of Edward Cullen and Bella Swan.